Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. So again I am back to teach you the lecture 2 of chapter 11th Egyptian civilizations. So here we are talking about the Egyptian civilizations. So just take a short look at what we have in first videos. First of all, we have learned in first videos that the first village were formed with the help of when the farming is started. Like that, after the part of the world, the communities of early villages, they grew into the civilizations. The people of the early humans, they grew into civilizations over a long period of time. There are some points I have explained also, which is very common feature for all the civilizations. Like first is the human populations grew because there was now plenty of food for people to eat. Second point, some people started to travel to buy and sell things, and this was the start of trade. Third point is these civilizations had well-planned cities with large buildings and streets. Fourth is the growth of writing and languages helped people to express their ideas and feelings. Fifth, people developed their own religions, art and crafts. Next again the Bronze Age started. So most of the early humans, early civilization, they grew and they just lived near the rivers. It is because the rivers provide enough water for a large number of people. In fact, the soil near the river was very good for farming, and the river are not only provided water for the crops and for the drinking of water, but it could be used for traveling also. Next is what, instead of stone, because before that they used the stone, after that the early humans, the people of the early civilization, they used the bronze. Bronze means a metal which is mixture of copper and tin. Then they started to use the bronze of metal, and they just started to make the tools and weapons with the help of bronze. So these civilizations are known as Bronze Age civilization. This civilization is what? This civilization are known as Bronze Age civilization. Next is there are 4 Bronze Age civilizations. Please underline it. There are 4 Bronze Age civilizations. These all 4 you have to underline and you have to learn also. The 4 Bronze Age civilization are, the first one, please underline, the Mesopotamia civilization. It is near the rivers Tigris and Euphrates. Again I am repeating, the Mesopotamia civilization, the Mesopotamia civilization near the rivers Tigris and Euphrates. The second Bronze Age civilizations are the Egyptian civilization near the river Nile. The Egyptian civilization near the river Nile. Third is the Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization near the river Indus. Next, last is the Chinese civilization. The Chinese civilization near the river Huanghe. Now these all 4 ages are there from the next chapter. They have one chapter. They have separate chapters are there, so that we will see in the next when we will go to the next classes, next chapter, then we will see. So again I am repeating, so please match that. From there you have to underline it. From there are 4 Bronze Age civilization. We have 4 age civilizations. The first is the Mesopotamia civilization. The Mesopotamia civilization near the rivers Tigris and Euphrates. Second is the Egyptian civilization near the river Nile. Next, the Harappan civilization near the river Indus. The last is the Chinese civilization near the river Huanghu. So we have four Bronze Age civilization. The first is Mesopotamia civilization. It is the first civilization. It is near the river Tigris and Euphrates. The second we have Egyptian civilization, which is near the river Nile. The third we have a Harappan civilization. It is near the river Indus. And the last one is the Chinese civilization. It is near the river Huanghu. Next we will talk about the Egyptian civilization. So in this chapter we will study the Egyptian civilization, which exists about 5,000 years ago. It is exists about 5,000 years ago, not now, it's before above 5,000 years. The main sources of information for the Egyptian civilization are the remains of buildings, objects used by the people, and the written records they left behind. So how we can understand the Egyptian civilization, like about the history, that how we can know about the history? We can know history about we can know about the history with the help of sources of histories. Like that also with the help of sources of Egyptian civilization we can know much more about the civilization. So there are the main sources of information that we can know for the Egyptian civilizations. That first of all, the remains of buildings, on that time the people who used that buildings. Then the objects which is used by the people of Egyptian civilization, the objects which is used by the people of Egyptian civilization, and the writing records which they left behind. For that source we can know much more about the Egyptian civilization. So first of all is location, that how we can know about that where is the Egyptian civilization. The Egyptian civilization, it flourished along the banks of river Nile. So Egyptian civilization, it is what? It is near the bank of river Nile. Egyptian is called the gift of the Nile. Egyptian is called, underline it please, Egyptian is called the gift of the Nile because without this river it would have been a barren desert. So Egyptian is what we can call Egypt also the gift of Nile. Why? Because without the river would have been a desert, a barren desert. Barren desert means that nothing can grow there. So with the help of river of Nile, that it is possible that we can grow some crops in the desert areas, because if we cannot receive that Nile river, we have a barren desert that nothing can grow. So that's why the Egypt is called the gift of Nile. The river made Egypt fertile and provided enough water for crops. The Nile river is what? It just made the Egypt fertile. It just made the soil of the Egyptian, which is near the Nile river, it makes that fertile, like the soil very fertile, and it can provide enough food, enough water for crops also. The important cities in the Egyptian civilization were Thebes, Giza and Memphis. You can see in this picture the Egyptian civilization is there. The Nile river, which is called the gift of the Nile. Here we can see the Thebes is there, Memphis and Giza. These are the important Egyptian civilizations in the Nile river. So these are the three main cities in the Egyptian civilization. Please underline it. The main cities in the Egyptian civilization were Thebes, Giza and Memphis. So the important cities in the Egyptian civilizations, we have three main cities, that is first is Thebes, Giza and Memphis. Now about the people of the Egypt, that we will see in the next class, means in the tomorrow class. Till that, please continue attend your online class, and whatever the homework I am receiving, please I am just giving you, please you can receive and you can complete it on time. You have lots of time So use the time and complete all the homework, and please read the book again, and so it will help you also. And whatever I told you to underline that, learn it, it's important. Till that, please stay at home and be happy and safe. Thank you and have a nice day.